My name is Soren, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you can build passive income streams into your business. And this is mainly geared towards content creators online or online service providers. If you're in another group or business and want to know how you can create passive income in your business, drop a comment below of the industry you're in and I'll make a separate video for that. So let's jump right into it. The best ways you can create passive income online today are by these simple methods. The number one is creating some type of ebook or course that you offer where you make it once and it sits on your website and people can find it and sell it. Now the key to doing this is one, provide an extreme amount of value to justify whatever price you're going to sell it for. And then the second thing that is super key is to build organic traffic streams around it, whether it's writing blog posts, creating YouTube videos, creating Pinterest pins for it, or anything like that. Any content you're going to post that's going to live forever on the internet, that can drive traffic to your ebook or course is going to make it super successful in creating that passive, consistent income for you. The first reason I said of making sure it provides an extreme amount of value is because if it does, people are going to talk about it, they're going to share it with their friends, they're going to share it with their family, and you're going to get more referrals from that as well, which is just going to be huge in making sure that it is a consistent passive income stream for you for many years to come. Now, the next way you can do this requires a little bit more work. It's not quite as passive as the first one, but it is by creating a membership or a community. That is a monthly recurring revenue for your business, and sometimes it does create work, whether you're providing content in it or you're providing your own time by responding to questions or doing exclusive content for that area. However, it is something that is recurring revenue and it is relatively passive because it might require a lot less of your time than your other active income sources. And of course, nothing is truly passive unless you're buying stocks, and that still requires your time on the front end to earn the money to buy those stocks. So those are the two ways that you can create tons of passive income for your business. I want to make another video going over more ways to create more recurring revenue streams in your business. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for that. And if you haven't already, make sure to smash the like button. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.